Welcome to Agda TV channel. Our tutorial today is how to retrieve a lost or deleted phone number. Maybe you lost your phone and you lost your contact, or you mistakenly delete a number. Uh, as soon as you have ever been with that number, I will show you how to retrieve that number today in this video. Before we go further, I would like you to subscribe my channel, touch the bell button to turn on notification for the upcoming hot tutorials. Let us go. So you go to the Chrome browser and type m dot is facebook.com/mobile/messenger/contact. Don't worry with the link, I will put it on the description. So you go there. So if you already log into your Facebook account, it will redirect you direct to this. But if you are not already logged into your Facebook account, it will tell you to log in. After login, it will automatically redirect it to you there to this. So as you can see here, those are the numbers I have been with since the date I start using Facebook. So as you can see, you can only see the two last died there, but whatever the number you need, you just touch on the number, the number will appear. So as you can see here, so there is a different different numbers of ways in which you can retrieve your lost numbers, but I have just bring this one to you today. I will furthermore bring another way of retrieving your lost or deleted phone number. Please, thank you for watching this video. Like this video, share it, and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming tutorials.